You give me peace, you give me love. This one I love, no be na poncho. Poncho, poncho.
Hello guys, you're welcome to this channel. I'm by the name Dr. Fun from the F Company Production. Today I'm going to reveal to you how I did this beat. This is an Afro beat and actually it's a gospel song. Well, the song was recorded by me. That's actually my voice. I wanted to give this Afro kind of gospel that I've not yet heard people do. So I started this beat by playing some drums. Let me just watch and show you how I did it. Firstly, I did the kick. That's actually one of the things that gives me inspiration all the time when I want to do a beat. So it was something like this. Yeah, just something simple, and the snare was like this. So there was something that changed in this particular song. This is it. Yeah, and I added something like this. And I ended it by giving this bongo inside the song. I love doing simple beat that captivates people but without many instruments played in the song. So the second thing I did was this shaker. Shaker is actually an African thing, yeah. So when you put that in your beat, you know, you're actually turning the whole that beat to an African beat. So that's what I did on this particular song. Alright, the other thing I did, I played this chord in the song that plays like this. Yeah, and I added something like this, you know, that marimba. So together, this is how it sounds. The final thing I did on this song was just to put this sax inside the song that plays like this. You know, everything about the song is just to give this African feeling. So after I did the transition, I played something like this. Very simple, you understand? Alright, let me just play the whole song so that you can feel the vibes of every single thing played in this song.
You give me peace, you give me love. This one I love, no be na poncho. Poncho, poncho. For your love, I put my trust. Lord, you give me everything that I want to. Then I come a nigga, come make you shy, yeah, yeah. This not too shy, yeah, yeah. Cause I lower in my back, oh. Poncho, poncho. When my enemies come, me go fire kata. You carry my matter for your head and you catapult, oh. Poncho, poncho. That's why I call it spiritual feelings. Cause his love is giving me some kind feelings. That's why I call it spiritual feelings. Cause his love is giving me some kind feelings. Where you day, now for day, I go day. Singing a song when I'm pressing your name. Where you day, now for day, I go day. Singing a song when I'm pressing your name. Father, I go praise your name. Oh, when you want me to go, that day, just show me love and mercy. Father, I love you. You give me peace, you give me love. This one I love, no be na Porsche. Poncho, poncho. For your love, I put my trust. Don't you give me everything that I want to? I don't want no, I don't want no. You not come a nigga, come make you shy, yeah, yeah. This not too shy, yeah, yeah. Cause I lower in my back, oh. Poncho, poncho. When my enemies come, me go fire cutter. You carry my matter for your head and you catapult, oh. Poncho, poncho. That's why I call it spiritual feelings. Cause his love is giving me some kind feelings. That's why I call it spiritual feelings. Cause his love is giving me some kind feelings. Where you day, now for day, I go day. Singing a song when I'm pressing your name. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Where you day, now for day, I go day. Singing a song when I'm pressing your name. Hallelujah, hallelujah. That's why I call it spiritual feelings. Cause his love is giving me some kind feelings. That's why I call it spiritual feelings. Cause his love is giving me some kind feelings.
Alright guys, that's all about the song, and if you like this video, please drop a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel to support the family. Share this video and like this video. As I said, I'll be giving you tons of tutorials on FL Studio, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Mixcraft, Cubase, After Effects, many more. So on the comment below, you just tell me what you want me to give to you as a tutorial and I'm going to give it to you right away. See you next time.